So this is the super I. As you can see, this mark means here we have the pin number 1, as you can see. And this is the direction of reading. Okay, always read in the counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. Okay, so of course the super IO is near to the ICH and to the BIOS. So here in the motherboard we have another super input output IO. As you can see, here we have this dot, means this is the pin number 1, and this is the direction of the reading. Okay, usually you will find in the super IO 128 pins. Okay, so of course there is many types of super IO. Okay, there is WinBond, there is many type of super IO, or ENA, as you see here. Okay, but usually the numbers of pins is 128. As you can see here, the super IO is usually next to the ICH. Here we have this triangle, means this is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, so you can find triangle or dot or line next to the pin number 1. Okay, so the working principle for the motherboard is the same. So if you understand one motherboard, you can analyze and study and of course repair any other motherboards you encountered. Here we have another SIO WinBond. As you can see, this is a WinBond IO. As you can see, here we have this triangle. The big triangle means here we have the pin number 1. Okay, and this is the direction of reading, as you can see. Okay, the same working principle. It's pretty easy to hardware of laptop motherboards, and I show you many motherboards in order to master the hardware of the motherboards. Here we have another SIO, as you can see, a big SIO that I already removed, desoldered and soldered again, because this is just to show to my students in a previous course how to do this desoldering and soldering operations. As you can see, this is dot, a white dot means this is the pin number 1, as you can see. Okay, and always here, as you can see, near to the ICH. Okay.